Mommy elephant, big and strong. Daddy elephant walks along. Baby elephant, small and sweet, stomping with his little feet. Mommy, daddy, baby too, we love each other, yes we do. Big or small, short or tall, family love is best of all. Mommy bird flies up high, daddy bird soars in the sky. Baby chick learns to fly, flapping wings and saying bye. Mommy bear is soft and strong, daddy bear hums a bedtime song. Baby cub cuddles in so tight, sleeping safely through the night. Mommy mare runs so fast, daddy stallion gallops past. Baby fowl is learning to, kicking high and running through. Mommy sheep is soft and white, daddy ram stands strong and bright. Baby lamb jumps up so high, bouncing, dancing in the sky. Mommy frog croaks so loud, daddy frog feels so proud. Baby tadpole swims all day, growing legs to hop and play. Mommy bunny hops so quick, daddy bunny does a trick. Baby bunny wiggles his nose, jumping